Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll explain how to find stored passwords on Windows 11 and show you where Windows securely saves your login details. Step 1. Start by clicking on the search bar next to the Windows Start button. This search area helps you quickly find built-in tools and settings on your computer. Step 2. Type Credential Manager into the search bar and look for it in the results. Credential Manager is a Windows utility that stores saved usernames and passwords for apps, websites, and networks. Step 3. Click on Open to launch Credential Manager and wait for the window to appear. You will see two sections here, Web Credentials and Windows Credentials, which separate browser logins from system logins. Step 4. Browse through the list under Web Credentials or Windows Credentials to find the account you need. Once you locate it, click the small arrow on the right to expand the saved login details. Step 5. Click on the Show or Edit option under the Password section and confirm with your Windows Security PIN or password. This step is important because it protects your sensitive information while allowing you to view it when needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.